Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. I am now in Norway. Hooray! I'm finally made it and I was gonna... Yeah, I know. I was trying to find a setup where I could put my phone. Yeah, I look a bit rough today. I couldn't... Sorry, I couldn't get myself to do the whole, you know, face. But he won't move. Look at him. Can you even see? Oh, there's little snout, his little face. He's so cute. It's literally the softest little dog. He is still a puppy. They got him over summer. There we go, that's better. They got him over summer, but he is huge. You're huge. You're huge. Can you see your little eyes? I can't even see your little eyes. You have so much love to give you. Okay, so this is going to have to do for setup for you today, guys. Where have you gone? What are you doing? Get off my calendar. Okay, brilliant. Hope this is all right. It's going to have to be. So I am in my mother's and her new husband Michael's house. They are in Poland, so I'm here by myself with this one who's currently destroying a bunny. Yeah. And my calendar. This is the bunny. This is the bunny that's being destroyed. Yeah, that is his bunny. Yeah, they're visiting my sister Sarah in Poland at the moment, where she is working. So it was basically I arrive, they leave. So I'm here with Pella. But we're going to go see Grandma today, aren't we? We're going to go see Grandma. We're going to go see Grandma. He was so nice and cozy with me earlier. Now he's a bit like, no, just wants to eat the bunny. I'll put in a little clip from earlier this morning when he would not get off my lap. Prøver å stå opp her. No? Fullt. Okay, so I boiled a cup of water like every morning because we're not going to change. So this is such a cute cup. I got my mum this in Disney World in Florida when I went there, and oh, I'm so jealous. I should have got myself one as well. Perfecto. So today is the 14th. Haha, and I did bring this, though I didn't bring the lint calendar because there was just no space. It would have just been completely and utterly crushed to pieces in my suitcase. So Hugo is going to send us a little video of him opening that. I'll put that in somewhere. Maybe I'll put it in now, maybe I'll put it in later. Who knows?
Hello everyone, God jul to all in Norway, and a very Merry Christmas to everyone else. Since Martine is away in Norway, she sadly, for her, couldn't take her advent calendar with her, but that means I have it. Yaha! So, I have been left with the very capable responsibility of opening her advent calendar, and as a treat I get to eat the chocolate as well. So let's have a look. Number 14 of the Lint advent calendar. Where is it? Let's see. Aha! Right. Let's see what we got. Ooh. We have a little squirrel. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. That's cute. So yes, there we go. That completes today's section of Hugo and the Advent Calendar. Lots of love.
Yeah, do you want to know what this is? It's tea. Where's 14? Ooh, 3 ginger. That'll do. That will do. This cough is not letting me have a break, like, at all. Do you know, I woke up this morning about 6 o'clock from literally projectile coughing, and I was just crying. It was almost like somebody just went in my throat. So this is what the tea bag looks like. 3 ginger, a warming swirl of organic ginger, galangal, and golden turmeric. Powder went straight up my nose. Oh, that's strong. It's so cute. Oh, okay. So like I mentioned in my other video, it's a journey and a half to get here because it's just, you need to do a lot of little bitsy journeys. So I'm so tired. I'm so tired, but we'll get through this. Because I'm home for Christmas. Eat your bunny. Eat your bunny. And also, So my mum absolutely loves Christmas decorations, and I think this is probably the most I've seen her do, I think. At least it's the most amount of Santas I've ever seen in one place, so roll it. Right, so let's open today. 14. This is when you realise it's lost in the transit. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Stop it! Eat your bunny. Right, so this is 14. And it says, as of January 2016, singer Adele's music video for Hello was the fastest ever to reach 1 billion views on YouTube. Oh, why can't you be like you were before? Like when you just wanted to cuddle and now you just want to fight. Ooh. Oh, shower gel! I have had this before. This is the British Rose shower gel. Yeah, British Rose. Do you like it? I can't bite it, so I don't like it. Yeah, it's got a really nice, like, subtle rose smell to it. So if you're into a little bit of rose, there we are. It's so empty now. I mean, I don't know why I'm saying that like it's a sad thing, but it is in a way, because I'm going to be completely honest, like, I knew that this was going to be a lot of work, like doing the videos every day, at a certain time every day, and obviously the consistency of doing it for 25 episodes, and I'm only on 14, right? I'm only filming 14 at the moment. But you might think it's just filming it, uploading it. It really isn't. If you don't know how YouTube kind of works and how uploading works, obviously first you have to film the material, then you have to edit the material. Just those two things, filming and editing, usually take me anywhere from an hour and a half to 3 hours, depending on how much I'm filming and how much I kind of stop to think, because obviously I edit away a lot of me thinking time that you don't care to just see. So sometimes if I'm having a bit of a difficult day, there's so many like Martine having a think times that need to be edited. So it depends. So the filming and the editing takes anywhere between an hour and a half to 3 hours. And then I obviously have to make the thumbnail as well, which is obviously a picture of me that needs to be cut out, it needs to be feathered, it needs to be put into the background with the numbers, and then a couple of other little bits to show what's going to be going on in the video needs to be put on there. So that is that. And then you need to export the video, obviously, after you've edited it. That takes a little bit of time, and then it needs to be uploaded to YouTube. Now, a 10-minute video doesn't take that long to upload. And once it's uploaded, you need to obviously write your description, put in all your yada yada in the box underneath the video, and then you need to do the tags. You need to manually do your thumbnail, and then you need to create the end screen, which is where you have my face in a circle and the 2 videos that are recommended from my channel. And then I also need to put in the card, so the card for the playlist also needs to be put in. So it's quite a lot of work, and I must admit, like, I was expecting it to be a lot of work, but I'm really enjoying it. The reason I'm sad is because I'm more than halfway, and after this, obviously, I'm going to take a daily break. But it's kind of sad. I'm already sad that it's coming towards the end, and it's not even coming towards the end. That was a long story about how my feelings weren't valid. Look, can you see? Yeah. Look how empty it is compared to how much stuff was in it in the beginning. Oh. Let's try the tea. He lost a tooth this morning. I just saw him pick up this little white thing, spit it out, pick it back up again, spit it out. It was his little tooth, his little baby tooth. Yeah, I really like this one. If you don't particularly like ginger tea because you don't like that stinging spicy taste in your throat, this one's fairly mild. It doesn't do that like thing that you get from some proper spicy ginger teas, but it still will do the trick if you've got a sore throat. So Pukka need to be sponsoring these videos. Right guys, so that is it for me chatting to you this morning. I am going to put some footage of Norway and my travel here just on the screen for you, so you can have a little look. There's a bit of snow, not a lot, It's quite mild, but we do have a little bit of snow. So enjoy that. Have a really, really good day, and I will see you tomorrow. Do you want tea? Hello? Want tea? Kisses. Ooh, it will have kisses. Bye.